those are the remaining ingredients on this cooking journey on the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV. Alright, so to my right of the camera, you have pop chow, you have tomatoes and green scallion and onions, and have some chayote over there. Yes, some hot scotch bonnet pepper and collard greens. These are the stem from the collard greens. And over here have assorted bell pepper, and of course this bowl. Yes, this is all collard greens in this bowl, and this is the bacon. Yes, so it's going to be stir-fried chicken with bacon. Alright, and seasoned rice, of course. And you're seeing this on the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. You're watching the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. We are in part 2, phase 2 of my cooking journey in my cooking lab. Yes. So I'm going to head to the stove now and start adding the vegetables one by one.